If you've ever tried to add a paywall to your app, you know how strict Apple can be on what you're allowed to show or not on that screen. Everything must be crystal clear so that users don't feel cheated when their payment methods are being charged. But while these rules are really beneficial to create trust with users, they also lead to some back and forth with the app review team the first time that a developer adds a paywall to their app. And of course, such back and forth will consume a lot of time and energy on the developer's end. Or rather, that's how things used to be until iOS 17. Because in iOS 17, Apple decided to create built-in SwiftUI views that literally display fully functioning paywalls through a single line of code. So let's see how it works. First, I've added a StoreKit configuration file to my app to simulate an in-app subscription, a pro tier with monthly or yearly durations. By the way, if you've never used a StoreKit configuration file to mock in-app purchases, there's a link in the description to a video focused on that topic. Now that my app contains in-app purchases, let's add a paywall so that users can actually purchase them. And believe it or not, just by adding this subscription store view, we've gotten ourselves a fully functioning paywall. Of course, for now, its design is quite rough. But look at all that we've gotten with almost no effort. All of the copy required to explain the pricing is there, and users can select and purchase a subscription. The paywall even updates once a purchase has been made to highlight which plan the user is subscribing to and to allow them to switch to the other if they want. From there, we could totally add a bit more code to make our paywall look better. Or we can also leverage additional built-in features like a button that lets users easily restore a previous purchase. And if we want to create a funnel in our analytics to measure the performance of our paywall, we can do it by providing closures that will be called when a user starts and completes a purchase. Even better, imagine that you update your in-app subscription to include a free trial period. Then we don't need to make any change to our code. Our subscription store view will automatically adapt its copy to reflect that the yearly plan now offers a free trial. In this video, we've only scratched the surface of what SwiftUI's built-in StoreKit views can do. If you want to learn more, I recommend reading the documentation or watching the WWDC session Meet StoreKit for SwiftUI. Both links are in the description. And if you want to take your paywall even further without spending too much time and energy on it, or if you need to support versions of iOS prior to 17, I recommend that you check out RevenueCat Paywalls. RevenueCat Paywalls offer a large choice of built-in paywalls along with powerful capabilities such as updating the paywall without an app update or running A/B tests with different paywalls. Even better, RevenueCat Paywalls lift one of the shortcomings of subscription store view. They allow you to show both a non-recurring purchase, like a lifetime option, and a recurring purchase on the same paywall. So I have a big thank you to RevenueCat for sponsoring this video. If you want to try out their paywall feature, it's the first link in the description. That's all for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the next ones. Thank you for watching and see you next time.